Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatargardens. This is episode 14 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something really cool. It has been flooding. I think we got 3.5 inches of rain in one night. Here it flooded all night long. I'm going to show you something really cool. A lot of people that grow with wood chips, and you know, if you follow me a long time, that's what I really proclaim is growing with wood chips as mulch. Say that, oh, the wood chips may hold some water, but they're not going to hold much, or they dry out quickly. I'm going to show you some right now with this big wood chip, obviously, how much water is in this. Look at that, like a sponge. Now imagine, now I don't want to really crush it because there's earthworm eggs and a few other things in here. It's like a cork, like a wine cork. Now imagine all the wood chips in some areas. I plant. What are you finding, Lulu? Lulu, what are you eating? I just wanted to freak her out. Some areas here is, you know, almost a foot deep of wood chips, and the average is about 3 to 4 inches deep. And I keep applying more and more. And that's one of the reasons why I use half to almost a quarter of the average citizen in my city, at least this is what the bill statement says, of water usage. I have more trees than anyone else per my square foot. Some people may even only have 2 or 3 trees and they think that's a lot. I have 75 fruit trees and many perennials and annuals, biennials, bushes and berries. And yet I use half the water or less. And it's the wood chips. That's what does it. So, as you can see from that demonstration, wood can hold on to moisture and keep it there for quite some time. If you move the wood chips away, when it dries up in about a month or two, when you move the wood chips away, it'll be nice and dark. It won't be dry like it used to be when I first came here in this property over 8 years ago, I believe now. Yeah, 8 years, 9 years ago, 8.5. Happy gardening, everyone. Come on, Lou, let's go.